Hey guys, so I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving break. We're back at it and we are totally flipping the switch here and we're learning something completely new, which is solving equations. In 6th and 7th grade, you probably solved some pretty basic equations. You might have done something like this. X plus 5 equals 12. So in 6th grade, you probably did this, and so we would use opposite operations. You're probably doing this in your head right now, but since we're adding, we would subtract and say x is equal to 12 minus 5, which is 7. And 7 plus 5 does indeed equal 12. So that is a very basic equation. That's not what we're doing. We're in pre-algebra now, and we're stepping it up. We are doing equations with variables on each side. Now that sounds kind of scary. It's not scary. We're just using the same rules as we would do for a 1 or 2-step equation, but we just have multiple steps. So let's say that we have the following. Let's say that we have 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 10, okay? And so I'm going to switch my colors here so that I can kind of talk about like terms. So what we want to do is we want to get our x values on one side together, and we want to get our constant terms, or the ones without the variables, on one side together. So I always take care of my constants first. I always group them first. So since there's addition, we're adding 4, we have to do the opposite. So we're going to subtract 4 to its partner over here, the 10, because we have to do whatever we do here, we do over here. Okay, so I'm going to mark this out. Now I'm just going to copy down like what I haven't done yet. So 4x is still there. I got rid of my 4 because 4 minus 4 is 0. So now that just went away. That's why I marked it out. And then I'm going to bring down my 2x. And then I'm going to combine these. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So now I'm going to do the same thing with my 4x and my 2x. And so these are both positive values. And so the opposite of adding something, or the opposite of positive, is negative or subtraction. So I want this x over here with this x. So I'm going to take it away on this side. That way it goes to this side. So I have 4 x's, I take away 2 of those x's, now I have 2x is equal to 6, because 2x minus 2x, that went away on this side. That's what I wanted to happen. Now, the final step, right here, when you have a number and a letter beside each other with no other signs, that means that they're being multiplied. So we have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And so my x is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. And that would be my final answer for that one. Right, let's try another one. I'm going to go back to my regular marker. So let's say that I have 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 10. I don't know why I did 10 again, but whatever. All right, so we have our 3 and our 10. And since this is plus 3, I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. I'm taking it away from its like term. You can't take this away from the 2x because they're not both x's. So these are going to go away. I'm going to bring down my 3x is equal to 2x. And then 10 minus 3 to give me 7. Okay, so now I want to combine my x terms. So when I do that, this is a positive value. We're going to subtract the 2x on both sides. That gives me 1x is equal to 7. Divide by 1. And x is equal to 7. And there is my final answer.